In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Kohl's account. Whether you're shopping for the latest trends or managing your Kohl's cash and rewards, accessing your account is the first step. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll begin by opening your favorite browser and heading to Kohl's official website. Simply type in kohls.com in the address bar and hit enter. You'll know you're in the right place when you see their familiar logo and an assortment of links offering everything from clothing to home goods. This page is your gateway to all that Kohl's offers. Now, once you're on the Kohl's homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the sign in link. Go ahead and click on it. This link takes you to the login page where you'll be asked to enter your account credentials. On this new page, you'll first need to enter your email address. This should be the email you used when you first registered your account. Type in your email with care, ensuring there are no typos, as this will help the system recognize your account faster. After you've entered your email, click on the Continue button just below the input field. Once you've completed that, it's time to move on to your password. On the next screen, you will be prompted to re-enter your info, including your password, in designated fields. Take your time to input the correct password. Mistypes can happen, but triple check before clicking sign in to make the process as smooth as possible. At this point, for added security, Kohl's may ask for verification through a one-time password or OTP. This will be sent directly to your phone via SMS. When you receive the text, enter the numbers as prompted on the verification page. Remember, these codes typically expire quickly, so promptness is key here. Enter the code correctly and your portal to your account will soon be unlocked. And that wraps it up. You've successfully logged into your Kohl's account where you can now manage your account details, track your orders, check on the status of your returns, and more. Accessing your account will become second nature, providing you with countless conveniences at your fingertips. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now ready to explore all the features that your Kohl's account offers. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!